Over the past few years, I felt that my life is moving so fast. Another year goes by in what feels like a second. So, I want to learn how to slow down and how to live my life with more intention. Being an artist, I find joy and meaning in art. And the same goes for nature. So in this video, I'll be exploring a beautiful sculpture park and a beautiful Norwegian landscape. So come along on my journey towards a more simple and meaningful life.
Darling, I know it's hard to let go. Soon I will hold you again. Longer days when I'm away, but we'll both pretend to be bold. Darling, I've never been bold. Flowers you brought, my stomach in knots. You never seem to be scared. My heart's blood still leaking from the beast you'd slain. The serpent rose again, the head now twain. The arrow pit against the viper's fang. One was severed, so it too became. A sturdy shield and a keener blade, a stubborn will and a will to stay. He struck the two, so they four became. A twisting devil and a mounting pain.
I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
A parson trying to awake the